Hello guys. Today's video is on the top 5 best telescopic hedge trimmers. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. Don't skip any single of frame. Watch till the end. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. When you get the Earthwise CVPH 43018 Telescopic Hedge Trimmer, you get a pole hedge trimmer that has a maximum length of 8.8 inches, which can be converted to a normal handheld hedge trimmer. This can be done just by replacing the pole with a normal hedge trimmer handle to decrease the reach and trim smaller hedges and shrubs that can easily be trimmed using the hedge trimmer without the pole extension. With the pole extension, you get a total overhead reach of 13 inches with the trimmer, which allows you to really trim tall overgrown hedges with it. The trimmer blades are 18 inches in size, and they have a cutting capacity of 11/16 inches, which is just okay for trimming your average hedges and brushes around your home. As for the trimmer head, it can be rotated into 6 different directions or angles for cutting at different positions, and also very good when cutting the top or behind hedges. Basically useful when you're trying to shape your hedges with your trimmer. DeWalt promises guaranteed gas performance in their telescopic pole cordless hedge trimmer, the DCHT895M1, which, without mincing words, is definitely one of the best telescoping hedge trimmers out there. It comes equipped with a 45 inches telescopic or retracting shaft, which extends up to 70 inches to increase the user's reach and trim hedges and shrubs that are out of reach. You can easily retract it back to 45 inches when you need to work in a compact space or when the hedges to be trimmed are within your reach. The DeWalt DCHT895M1 telescopic trimmer is equipped with 22 inches double-edged or dual shear, laser cut blades with 1 inch cutting gap between them, which works very well for trimming thick shrubs and tree branches that are even up to 1 inch thick efficiently. At the heart of the whole setup is a powerful brushless motor, which delivers up to 3,700 strokes per minute to help power the trimmer through cuts. The DCHT895M1 is a cordless trimmer, which means it's battery powered. The battery it makes use of is a 40 volts DeWalt's battery, which actually changes to 36 volts when the trimmer is under load. When fully charged, you can keep it running and trimming for up to 90 minutes at a stretch. That's over an hour of trimming without the inconvenience of pulling cords or wires with you, as it's totally cordless. For over 90 minutes, you can even keep one battery charging if you have two, and use one to run the trimmer. By the time you exhaust the first battery, you'll have another fully charged one, ready to go. The trimmer weighs just 15.8 pounds, which is a little bit on the heavy side, but not too heavy to be handled. Overall, the DeWalt DCHT895M1 telescopic hedge trimmer is definitely one of the best telescopic trimmers out there. If you have other trimmers that don't allow you to get the job done due to their limited reach, then this DeWalt cordless trimmer will definitely help you get the job done efficiently. When it comes to talking about electric power tools, especially corded ones, Sunjo's name normally pops up more than once. They do produce some good quality and low-cost electrical power tools, as you'll come to witness firsthand when you get the Sunjo SJH904E electric telescoping hedge trimmer. The Sunjo SJH904E is a 4.5 amp telescoping hedge trimmer with 19 inch double-edged dual-action blades that cut in both directions to help you trim your hedges and shrubs effortlessly. It equipped with a telescoping pole that can be transformed or adjusted from a length of 3.8 feet to 5.9 feet to help you reach the tallest hedges and shrubs in your garden or sidewalk. The telescoping feature helps you gain up to 13 inches of overhead reach to make working with it easier. Apart from using the telescoping feature, you can also detach or swap out the telescoping pole and replace it with a handheld handle for trimming short hedges within arm's reach. Still talking about transforming the trimmer, you can remove the hedge trimmer head and replace it with the Sunjo GTS 4008 CSCGY chainsaw attachment for trimming overhead tree branches and even thin logs which are not within your reach. The head of the trimmer can be pivoted into different angles depending on what's suitable for you to work with. It can be pivoted from -20 degrees with increments of 20 degrees to 60 degrees. Overall, the Sunjo SJH904E telescopic electric hedge trimmer is definitely up there among the best. If there are tall hedges and shrubs in your yard and you need them taken care of ASAP, then this is surely one of the best telescopic hedge trimmer you can choose today. This is the Black Plus Decker LPHT 120 Telescopic Hedge Trimmer. It's a 20 volts cordless pole hedge trimmer that can be transformed to a length of 6.5 feet, which makes it suitable for trimming up to a height of 10 feet. If you have tall overgrown hedges and shrubs in your yard, then the Black Plus Decker LPHT 120 cordless pole hedge trimmer is one of the best trimmers you can use to get the job done quickly. The trimmer head can be pivoted through 180 degrees and locks into 5 positions to enable you trim the top, edge and even behind hedges and shrubs, which helps you work precisely and also helps you trim at a posture or position convenient with you. The LPHT 120 cordless telescopic trimmer only weighs 7.7 pounds, which makes it one of the most lightweight telescopic trimmers, with the lightweight design allow you to work efficiently without getting tired too quickly. As for the trimmer blades, they're 18-inch dual-action blades which allow you to cut in both directions and cut through branches as thick as 7/16 inches in thickness, while working with 40% less vibration. Overall, the whole unit is built strong and sturdy, and it works efficiently as a hedge trimmer should. The only drawback is that the trimmer head locks only into 5 positions, which is good but not enough. Being able to rotate it through more positions will increase the versatility of the tool. When it comes to cordless tool manufacturers, 5 names will not be mentioned without mentioning Greenworks. They manufacture top-notch battery-powered tools. That's why I didn't hesitate to include the Greenworks 22,272 40 volts cordless pole hedge trimmer in this list. If you need a cordless telescoping saw, this Greenworks is one of the best you're going to get. The hundreds of positive reviews it's garnered proves just that. It features a shaft or poles that increases the length of the hedge trimmer by 6.5 feet, which allows you to reach tall overgrown hedges and shrubs. As for the blade, it's a dual-action blade, 20 inches in size that cuts in both directions for optimal performance and maneuverability. The trimmer has a cutting capacity of 5/8 inches, which is quite enough to cut the hedges and shrub in the average Joe's backyard. As for the trimmer head, you can adjust it to 8 cutting positions to trim at different angles, depending on the part of the hedge you're trying to trim or the position that you're comfortable with. Additionally, if you already have or use other Greenworks cordless power tools, then you'll find the G-Max 40V lithium-ion battery that comes with this Greenworks 22,272 pole hedge trimmer very useful, as you can also use it to power your other Greenworks cordless power tools. The battery really holds up even through heavy use, and you can be rest assured to get lots of run time from one single charge of the battery. Overall, the Greenworks 22,272 telescopic or cordless pole hedge trimmer is definitely one of the best telescopic trimmer out there, and it's good for the money, especially if you already have other Greenworks products. The only con is that the shaft or pole looks a little bit flimsy, but for what it's worth, it's okay. What's most important is that it gets the job done, as you'll come to see if you purchase it.